Hey guys! So before we start, please do like, share, and subscribe. So the theme of today's poem is friendship, which also reminds me Happy Friendship Day. So, I'll do it if you do it by Lipi Gandhi. I had never thought I'll be stuck with you for the rest of my life. Well, that's the plan. And if we go to hell all together, which we are, we'll have lots of time to decide what to do. Frankly speaking, I just hated my best friends when we met for the first time. I was like, I'm never going to speak with her again. How dare she show me that attitude? But as the time passed, college and hostel did its part, and then came the moment when we used to complete each other's sentences. Even today, if I open my Instagram and Facebook, it is flooded with their pictures, more than mine. People used to call us three idiots and whatnot, but I always wanted it to be Powerpuff Girls. Even if one of us had some task to be done, three of us would be there, no matter what. I still remember my first open mic. I was all sweaty and nervous, but they were all excited and probably the only audience. From sharing room to sharing clothes, we shared our each and every secret. Well, that's what I'm hoping. It is not that we never had fights. We did. But I don't know why, at max, after 2 hours, we'll be making fun of each other like nothing had happened. I'm always scared of horror movies, but just because my friend was addicted to them, I can say I have watched at least 80% of movies with her. Sharing is caring was the motto strongly followed in our group. Even if it was small eclair to a big box of pizza, my friend used to make sure I don't snatch away the big piece. The best part was a week before exam. Seriously, group study is a myth. I know, because it was like when we are idle and have nothing to do. No topics will come in our mind. But just when we are about to study, we would be like talking about a friend of friend of friend who is in relationship with this boy, and we just hate his hairstyle. I know this makes no sense, but this was the truth. Also, I don't know how, but even if tomorrow was the exam and we had a lot left to study, we'll be like, I don't want, but if you want, we'll play one match of PUBG. And then it will be 2 am and we will be still shouting, enemies ahead. You know when you are officially best friends? Well, it's when your friend's mom packs your favorite food, and that too, just for you. I miss those thepla and shrikhand. You know the best part is knowing that you are scared but still motivating your friends. The only dialogue I remember is, I'll do it if you do it. And whether it is bunking the class to joining the new company or even starting a new step or a new journey. And no matter what their choice is, supporting them during every step was the goal. The most important rule we followed was, I hate him or her if you hate him or her. And that's the reason while stalking someone, I think I have never talked to him. Then how come I hate him so much? Well, you know the reason now. From night outs to study nights, we had our fun. Even from first year project to final year project, we bluffed in our viva together. I still remember our physics project model getting broken just before entering the viva hall. I still remember carving our name on each and every bench we used to sit for all these 4 years. From dressing crazy on the mismatch day to dressing formal on our interview day, we got even more closer. So once again, I'm saying, I'll do it if you do it. Thank you.